Hello students, on request of many students, now today I have brought a video for all of you that how to type in Hindi language as your exams are coming and during this lockdown period no one is going to attend the school, so how to write in Hindi today I am going to show you. Let us begin. First, I'm going to any WhatsApp groups to show you any keyboard. Now, see, this is English writing over here right now. Now, first of all, we will tap on this setting box. Now, you can see first of all, languages are offered here and you can read here. I'm tapping on this language, your keyboard languages and layouts. Now it is showing all my languages which I have already settled in my keyboard. Now what you have to do is like you have to take Hindi language. You can see 1 2 3. This is PC language, English. First is English India PC, and third one is Hindi India Hindi. What you have to do is just tap on this Hindi India and you can see this is ABC Hindi. You don't want this is Hindi fonts, and as I have already clicked on it, you have to click it on this. Like I have undo this, now I'm again doing this like this. You will also have to do it. Now the next one is handwriting. You will have to tap it. I have also done this. You will also have to do this in your phone. Like you have to tap on handwriting section also. Now I'm going to show you how it is useful for you during the typing in Hindi. Okay. Now that's all. You have to tap just these two, Hindi language and handwriting. What next? Now handwriting speed normal, handwriting stroke width normal, language setting multilingual typing only applicable if multiple languages are enabled. You don't need to tap any of these. Let's get back to our previous screen. Now you can see there is Punjabi option also lying there. Punjabi, Gurumukhi, French, Hindi, India, handwriting. Let us see this handwriting. We have already selected this one, and this is handwriting section, and we have already opted this one. Let's get back. So let's get back once again. Now after languages section, this is the first one. Preferences, you don't need to get back. You don't need themes, text correction, guide typing, voice typing. You can go to voice typing like this. Use voice typing. You just have to it may be like this right now in your phone. You will have to click it like this. Now your voice typing is also ready, means it enables you to type in Hindi or English, whichever language you are going to speak. It will enable you. You don't have to type. You will just speak and it will type automatically. So you will enable this function. Let us get back to this previous screen. Dictionary, search, share Gboard, advanced, rate us. None of these is useful for you. So get back to the previous screen. Now I will show you how you are able to type in Hindi language. You can see a circular globe type shape just left hand side of the space bar, and I will just click on this. Now you can see the keyboard AZERT. This is English keyboard right now. I will click it once again. Now my keyboard has changed, but I don't need this one, so I will again click it. This is also English one. And now this is ultimately your Hindi fonts, and you can type anything over here. Like if you want to write down Sarvanam, what you have to do is Sa and then Ra, Rahalant, because Ra is half over there. So Rahalant, Va, Na, Va, Naam, Sarvanam. And you can see there is a additional keyboard right here which can help you, which makes your task easier. And this is the one thing, and you can use symbols from here. Just these are the numbers and these are the symbols. If you want to use them, it makes your writing, it makes your typing very easy. So let us get back. You will have to tap on Kakhaga. This is your Hindi typing keyboard. Now let us move to the next section. This is again English. Now see, this is the different one. Now see here what is written over here. यहाँ हाथ से लिखें. This is the handwriting keyboard. Now if I want to write down Chand, how will you write it here? Just use your single finger to write Chand. And now you can see three options over there. You can click the middle one because that is right, yo Chand. I think it is easy now, and you can see the mic option also here, so it will make your task more easy. Let us see how it works. First of all, you will have to go to the Hindi fonts, and now whatever I will see after tapping this mic, that will get automatically typed in your screen. Let us say something. Let me remove this one. Okay. I want to say something like मेरा नाम ममता ठाकुर है. See how easy this is. I hope you all have understand how to type and how to get Hindi keyboard in your phone. Now I hope you all are able to type in Hindi language so that you can make your test easy. So that's it for today. Take care. Goodbye.